So, Shishir, I just have one question regarding a revenue-based startup. So, for example, I have invested, let's say, 5 lakh rupees initially to start with. So, is there any platform where I can see my revenue going up and how much percentage it has gone up? So, how it is like?
See, actually, there's nothing like this right now, but definitely
Mhm.
as the industry grows, not even in West, as the industry grows, these kind of data points. See, what happens is right now we don't have these kind of APIs, but in the West, these APIs are coming up wherein you can attach directly to the bank after their permission. So later, what we can
Mhm.
do is we can directly attach to the bank of the founder to get their details, and we can attach to the GST department to find out how much GST they are paying and what is the total amount coming into the bank. This we can match and find out the growth, actual one. But right now we have to rely upon what chartered accountants tell us. So obviously, every month the startup should give you a
Mhm.
provisional profit and loss update, stamped by their chartered accountant, or even if it is not stamped, they should tell you as per the collection in the bank that you can verify. So that we have kept for the last week of the month. They can do it on Saturday, Sunday, as per the availability. But we recommend all the startups to do at least once a month.